All right, little explorers, who's ready to explore some science? I'm ready to explore science. Are you ready to explore science? Yes, I was so hoping you would say that. Today, we're going to try and do a little mixing, creating chemicals, and see what they do. We're going to be using some vinegar, and we're going to be using some baking soda, and we're going to blend those together, and we're going to blend them together in this water bottle, and we're going to see if it'll make the balloon blow up. Wait, did you guys hear what I said? We are going to blow up this balloon using a water bottle. What? Yeah, we're really going to do it. Are you guys ready? All right, so a little patience. First, we're going to pour some, see, it's kinking. Oh, there we go. All right, we're gonna pour some baking soda in the bottle. All right, you guys ready? All right, so I'm gonna pour it. And I think maybe a little bit more. Oh, what do you guys think? You think that's good? All right, we'll try this amount. We'll see, maybe a little bit more. All right, so we have our vinegar. I'll put that to the side. We'll just leave that there, no big deal. Now we're going to put some baking soda inside of our balloon. It's not easy to do because the balloon is super tight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this spoon. It's tighter than I thought it was, super tight. All right, you know what we might be able to do? How about if I wipe the vinegar out of this funnel? That's what we use to get the vinegar in here so it wouldn't go all over the place, so we wouldn't make a mess. We use the funnel. And then to make sure we get all the vinegar out, all right, I think we did a pretty good job. And we will use the funnel with the balloon. Let's see if that works. What do you guys think? You think it'll work? Well, we can try it. That's what scientists do, right, explorers? We try things. So we'll go ahead. Get down in there. It's stuck in the neck of the funnel. We'll just put, oh look, it's working when I push it down. You think we need more? Me too. I think we need more too. And then we'll just get in there. Push it in there. All right. Almost. Let's do a couple more scoops. You know, for good measure, as they say. Put more in there. All right. Scoochy, 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 woochy down there. See how it's getting stuck a little bit in there? It's sort of like a traffic jam. But if we just jam it on through, it'll get in there. Did you guys see that? It puffed back out at me. That's no big deal. And another scoop, just to be sure. We want to make sure we have enough of the ingredient to see the reaction. I think we probably do, but I'm always like, let's just make sure. All right, so I'm gonna release this. It's gonna be a little bit of a mess because there's baking soda inside of here. That's why I have this pan to collect the mess. Now, I'm gonna carefully lay that here so it doesn't get everywhere. And we're gonna put the balloon on the bottle. Not easy. Oh, almost made a mess. All right, just cover it like this. Do you guys think it's gonna work? Who thinks it's gonna work? Okay, I hope it does. All right. When we put this balloon over the bottle, it should totally blow up. All right, stand up, little balloon. Come on, come on, come on, do your thing. Oh, look, guys, it's working. It's blowing up. Yay, science. Yay, yay, we did it. Oh my gosh, little explorers, we did it.